So look, yabona into enokungicasula kancane is that nonke who have just watched The Polygamist, nonke y'all are coming in hot. This thing, this series was rage baiting me. Like, why are you making it seem like this thing is a say yinja? Like uJonas uyiphotlela okokuqala lento le to the world ukuthi kwamanye ama-relationship kwenzeka kanje. Ngobanye benu in the midst of y'all enibilelwayo nihleli kwama-relationship enaziyo ukuthi mina i-out yami ayidlulwa isiketi. Nihleli. There was a child no bekakhala ngokuthini kufike umuntu wesifazane emndenini wabo, umndeni wasafani, ithema lisathenga iy'mpahla, i-uniform iyabheda, ingane ikhala la ku-social media. Nenza ngathi manje into eyenziwa uJonas into entsha. Jonas is acting. Jonas uya-actor. Khona la yenzeka khona as we speak. Domestic violence. Ihleli ingane yabantu. Iyachithela. Ihleli ingane yabantu. Uya-find out. Ihleli. Seniza manje seningathi ngama-analyst ke mine analyze yonke into. What I've learned from this is that women we must just learn to put ourselves first. Cause let the ends you who's this? Let the ends you Joyce. No, sis, no. Like love yourself. Like why? Why nenza ngathi yinja lady? Why nenza ngathi yinja? Yeah. Brand new from the box. Hey, the Polygamist this. Yo Jonas. For sure omunye for sure sekaqalela la Thembi outside. But khona la yenzeka khona. As we speak. Umjideni. Khona umjido wazi ukuthi umjido wakho unencusi, but akalayitisi ubruru. Khona umjido sipanayo no, mara endlini adliwe. Sami amajida. You know me, like mina straight, I prefer ukuthi umane cut it off for telling you the truth. Ukuthi uyabheda. Rather than ngiqhubeke ngikubheke wenza amasimo umjida wami, uzibiza ngomjida wami. Some yamajida prioritize ezinye izinto for ukujabulisa amajida amagenge. Anibona ukuthi ngimosha abantwana babantu. Ingane yabantu masiyithole umuntu oright, siyifika ngale ngqondo le yale toxicity ithathe kuwe umjida. Amajida. Sometimes amajida we must teach each other accountability. Ngitshela umjida ukuthi into eyenza kule ngane ayikho right. Uyabheda. Lana uyiyeke ingane yabantu one time. Lento le ningayenzi ngathi yinja sha. La eMzansi phila kanje. Currently khona ababambisene bayazi ukuthi bayithula. Awufuni ukuhamba ngenxa yokuthi hayi angivumele intombazane ngithatheleni. Leyo ndoda yakho yeyile lapha. Ngifuna kwenzakaleni.